innovation and technology. Let us know how to accelerate industrial transformation, how to reshape the future of energy, how to safeguard the hope of life, how to embrace the vastness of the world, retrace the original aspiration of technology and innovation. Forlinx Embedded empowers every step forward with reliable SOMs. Deep expertise builds a trustworthy brand. Forlinx Embedded focuses on the R&D, design, and manufacturing of SOMs, providing customers with stable and reliable core platforms for intelligent devices, offering a full scenario product portfolio covering SOMs, development boards, industrial computers, and edge AI computing devices. In-house R&D lays the foundation of reliable technology. Forlinx holds over 150 intellectual property rights and has built a technology matrix consisting of nearly 100 platforms, delivering protection from basic support to business enhancement, from customized development to easy-to-use tool chains, empowering customers in every way. We've established strategic partnerships with leading chip manufacturers like NXP, Rockchip, Allwinner, and Texas Instruments, and are invited to participate in the technical verification of chips during the alpha stage. Forlinx Embedded products are widely compatible with mainstream operating systems, including Linux, Debian, Android, enabling seamless hardware-software ecosystem collaboration and providing customers with a stable runtime environment and efficient embedded development experience. Rigorous testing sets the standards for reliability. Forlinx has a top-notch comprehensive R&D laboratory in the industry. All products undergo comprehensive testing before mass production. In the stability tests, the performance, robustness, and compatibility of product functional modules are thoroughly verified. In EMC testing, our products undergo comprehensive EMI immunity and insulation testing, ensuring stable operation in high-interference environments, meeting regulatory requirements for global market access. In environmental reliability testing, our products are pushed from scorching heat to extreme cold, from high humidity to corrosive exposure, and through continuous vibration and shock, we simulate a wide range of harsh conditions to conduct comprehensive durability testing on our products. Our core product lines have obtained major certifications, including CE, FCC, and RoHS. Smart manufacturing ensures reliable delivery. Incoming material inspection, dynamic warehousing, SMT production, testing, and shipping. Powered by MES, we connect data across entire value chain with process visibility and quality traceability, ensuring millions of products are delivered on schedule. In our 100,000 class clean room, automatic programming writes product data efficiently and accurately. Fully automated SMT lines place every component with micron-level precision. High-precision X-ray inspection verifies flawless component placement and soldering. Selective wave soldering delivers precise temperature control and uniform solder distribution, ensuring strong, reliable joints. 24-hour aging testing and full-function automated testing provide systematic verification of product performance. Every detail reflects our relentless pursuit of high precision, high efficiency, and high quality. Forlinx has achieved multiple management system certifications, operating at an industry-leading level. Professionalism and dedication. Built into reliable services, Forlinx has a technical team of over 100 engineers. Providing services covers self-service resources, online support, on-site assistance, offering technical service to users across every scenario. Meanwhile, Forlinx collaborates closely with chip manufacturers, hosts regular technical training sessions, continuously empowering users. Forlinx operates 2 major R&D bases in Beijing and Baoding. Backed by 4 technical service centers, we've built a nationwide support network. On this basis, Forlinx continuously expands its overseas service reach, building a global marketing and service system. In the tide of technological transformation, trust brings us closely. Reliability keeps us moving forward steadily. Forlinx Embedded, built on proven and reliable engineering, empowers diverse industries. Together with global partners, we are shaping a more intelligent and digital future.